Ever felt the frustration of finding a new scratch or chip on your beloved car? You're not alone. Every car owner knows the pain of seeing their pride and joy take a hit from the world's unexpected curveballs. But what if you could protect your car from these daily challenges? Enter PPF film, a secret weapon to preserve your car's beauty and value. So buckle up as we unveil the top 5 reasons why PPF film is the must-have upgrade for your car. Scene script. Picture this. You're parking in a tight spot and suddenly a door swings open. But there's no scratch, no heart-sinking sound of metal on metal. That's the magic of PPF film. It's like an invisible suit of armor, defending your car against the everyday mishaps that can leave their mark. From stray shopping carts to rogue pebbles, PPF film takes the hit so your car doesn't have to. No more wincing at door dings or stressing about rogue pebbles. The sun might be good for our mood, but it's brutal on car paint. Imagine a sweltering summer day, your car parked under the glaring sun. Without protection, the UV rays can wreak havoc, causing your once vibrant paint to fade, oxidize, and lose its glossy shine. But there's a way to beat the heat. PPF film is your car's personal sunblock. It's embedded with special UV inhibitors that keep your paint vibrant and glossy, come rain or shine. PPF film contains special UV inhibitors, shielding your paint and keeping it looking showroom fresh for years. Nature's surprises aren't always pleasant. Picture this. A scenic drive ends with your car wearing a fresh coat of bird droppings or bug splatter. It's more than an eyesore. These substances are acidic and can harm your paint job. But don't fret. PPF film is here to turn your stress into laughter. This extraordinary film acts as a barrier, allowing these unpleasant surprises to wash off effortlessly. No more scrubbing or worrying about damage. The film creates a barrier, making cleaning a breeze and protecting your paint from harsh chemicals. PPF film doesn't just protect, it enhances. With this remarkable shield, your car's paint gets a beauty boost. The film works like a magnifying glass, intensifying the gloss and depth of your paint. It's like giving your car a perpetual just waxed look. But the benefits don't stop there. PPF film also simplifies your car care routine. Its slick surface actively repels dirt and grime, meaning less time spent washing and more time enjoying the open road. Plus, the slick surface repels dirt and grime, making washing and maintaining your car's shine effortless. Thinking of resale value? Cars with well-maintained paint are like the proverbial diamonds in the rough, fetching a premium price in the resale market. This is where PPF film enters the picture. It helps maintain the quality of the paint, preserving the car's lustrous finish and protecting it from the wear and tear of daily use. The result? A higher resale value. PPF film is an investment that pays off, safeguarding your car's value and ensuring it looks its best for years to come. Don't let the world dull your ride's shine. PPF film is your secret weapon, your car's invisible suit of armor. It shields against scratches, protects from unforgiving UV rays, and laughs in the face of bird bombs and bug splatter. It boosts your car's beauty and makes maintenance a breeze. And it's an investment that pays off, safeguarding your car's value for the future. So what are you waiting for? Visit your local car care specialist today and experience the PPF difference.